Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Vakar. In today's video, we will be discussing an exciting topic, ChatGPT. I will tell you what is ChatGPT, how does ChatGPT work, what are the applications of ChatGPT, and what are the benefits of using ChatGPT. We will be discussing all these topics in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you hit the subscribe and bell icon button so you guys can easily get the notification of my upcoming videos. Open the website codingwithvakar.com and find this blog or article, what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is a introduction to conversational generative pre-trained transformer. It works on datasets. The complete full form of ChatGPT is conversational generative pre-trained transformer. Transformer is a neural network architecture well suited for natural language processing tasks. The pre-trained aspects of ChatGPT refers to the fact that the model has been trained on a large corpus of text data before being fine-tuned for specific applications. Further, ChatGPT is a significant language model developed by OpenAI that has been trained on a vast corpus text of data, generate human-like responses, a wide range prompts and question and answers. If you want to read this detailed article, you can find my website codingwithvakar.com, the what is ChatGPT. This is the simple ChatGPT definition that it is the artificial intelligence tool designed for understand and generate new natural language. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by processing text data and using it to train a deep learning model. The model then uses this training to generate new text that is similar to what it has learned. The process is iterative, which means that the more data ChatGPT is trained on, the better it becomes at generating human-like language. If you talk with ChatGPT, if you ask something to ChatGPT bot, it will be answering like a normal human. The next, what are the applications of ChatGPT? ChatGPT has numerous applications in various industries, including customer service, content creation, and even entertainment. It can be used to create chatbots that can converse with customers, answer their questions, and provide support. It can also be used to generate content such as articles, product description. Furthermore, it can help to the developers. You can ask the code of generate a calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It will be give you the HTML code, CSS code, and JavaScript. And if you want to ask the how to write a blog on different topics, it will generate complete tutorial or complete text on that topic. And the next, what are the benefits of using ChatGPT? There are several benefits to using ChatGPT. For one, it can save a lot of time and effort in content creation by automating the process. It can help businesses provide better customer service by providing quick and accurate responses to customer queries. Additionally, ChatGPT can be to generate new and unique ideas for content creation, make it a valuable tool for content creators. I'm sure that you guys have learned what is ChatGPT. In the next video or upcoming videos, I will be teaching or telling you practically that how to use ChatGPT and how you guys can get the benefits from the ChatGPT. ChatGPT, yes, is actually saving your time. If someone is writing articles in 10 days or in 15 days, the ChatGPT cut off the times and it drops to the in hours. You can write the articles and do the work with ChatGPT in few hours. Before going, make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe button to get the notification of my upcoming videos on ChatGPT, like how to create a blog website using ChatGPT and how to write the product description and website content using ChatGPT.